Here is how to link your Robinhood account to TurboTax, step by step. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account. Once you are on your main TurboTax screen, look for the area labeled Documents. This is where TurboTax keeps tax files, imported records, and account connections related to your return. Open Documents, then select the Linked Accounts tab. That tab is where you can connect financial institutions so TurboTax can pull in tax information directly. Inside linked accounts, find Robinhood and select Robinhood, listed as markets and digital assets. Make sure you choose the Robinhood option that matches that label, since that is the one used for importing the tax information connected to your Robinhood tax documents. After you select Robinhood, TurboTax will ask for two pieces of information from your Robinhood records. The first is your Robinhood account number. Enter your account number in the requested field. Use the number exactly as it appears on your Robinhood tax paperwork so TurboTax can match the account correctly. Next, enter your document ID. You can find this near the top of your Robinhood tax form or on the cover page that came with your Robinhood tax documents. This is an important detail because TurboTax uses it along with the account number to locate the correct tax file for import. If you have multiple Robinhood documents in front of you, make sure the document ID you enter comes from the same tax form set tied to that account. Once both fields are filled in, click Sign In. At this point, TurboTax will use the account details you entered to connect with Robinhood and begin retrieving your available tax information. If the screen takes a moment to respond, allow it a little time to process the request. After that, wait while TurboTax imports your Robinhood tax information. During this step, the platform may take a few seconds to load and attach the records to your return. The import process is automatic, so there is nothing else you need to enter while it runs. Just stay on the page until TurboTax finishes bringing in the data. When the import is complete, your Robinhood tax information will be connected inside TurboTax and ready for use as part of your tax return. This saves you from entering the same document details manually and keeps the information tied to the linked account section you just set up. If anything does not appear right away, remain on the import screen for a moment and let TurboTax finish processing. The key part is entering the Robinhood account number and the document ID exactly as shown on the Robinhood tax form or cover page before selecting Sign In. Your Robinhood tax information is now linked and imported into TurboTax.